Hi everyone, I'm fixing to go to Riley's Petting Zoo, located here at Dry Creek, and she's going to give us a guided tour. Hi Riley.
Hi.
Here's
We're going on a very special adventure about a bunch of animals that I have sold today. Now let's go down this aisle.
Okay, I just paid for our trip in.
And the mystery bug.
Let me see the sign.
Mystery bug. Now look inside and at the animal.
Ooh. Look at that mystery bug.
Now the next aisle. The egg is going to hatch.
This is an egg. The egg is hatching. There's the egg. Okay. What's next?
The lizard is a reptile.
Oh, look at that lizard, everybody.
Now next, the snake eats meat.
The snake eats meat.
Now move on to the next one. And then
And the little frogs in there.
the next aisle.
What is this one? Cicada is a bug, but the cicada eats bugs.
And look at those animals. Watch this. Look at those animals.